It is almost midnight. The platform is quiet. Just a few people standing in the cold air, looking down the dark track, waiting. Then you hear it, far away at first, a low sound like the earth is humming. And then the light appears. The train arrives slowly. Steam rises from underneath it. The doors open with a soft sound, and you step inside. The night train, going somewhere far, and you have the whole night to get there. My seat is by the window. Car number 4, seat 12. A small blue seat with a little white pillow. I sit down and the train begins to move. Slowly at first, then faster. The platform disappears, the station disappears, and there is only darkness outside and the sound of the wheels on the track. Click, clack, click, clack, click, clack. It is the most calming sound in the world. I close my eyes for a moment, just to feel it, the movement, the rhythm, like the train is breathing. The first thing I notice on the train is the light. It is soft and yellow, not bright like office lights, more like candlelight, warm, easy on the eyes. I look around the car. There is an old man 2 seats ahead of me. He is already asleep. His head rests gently against the window. His mouth is slightly open. Across the aisle, a young woman is reading. Her book has a red cover. She turns the pages slowly. She does not look up once. And at the very back of the car, a child is sleeping across 2 seats. Somebody has placed a coat over her, like a blanket. She looks completely peaceful, like she has no idea the world is moving around her. Let us talk about some words that belong to a night like this. Train words, journey words, night words. The first word is journey. 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 A journey is a long trip from one place to another, not just the physical distance, but the time, the experience, the feeling of being between 2 places. We are on a journey right now, you and me. Journey. Say it slowly. Journey. Like something that takes time, like something worth remembering. The second word is rhythm. 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 Rhythm is a regular pattern of sounds or movements. The train has a rhythm. Click, clack, click, clack. It never changes. It is steady, reliable, calming. Your heart has a rhythm. Music has a rhythm. And good English, when you speak it naturally, has a rhythm too. That's what we're building inside you, slowly, one listen at a time. Rhythm. Feel it in the wheels. Click, clack, click, clack. The third word is distant. 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 Distant means far away, not close, not near. I can see a few distant lights outside my window right now. Small yellow dots in the dark countryside. Houses, maybe, or small towns. People living their lives far from this train. You can say, I can see a distant mountain, or there was a distant sound, like thunder. Distant. something that exists but feels like it is in another world. Let us learn a few more words. We still have many hours ahead of us. The next word is stillness. S-T-I-L-L-N-E-S-S. Stillness. Stillness is the quality of being very quiet and calm, not frozen, not empty, just still. Like the moment before the rain starts, like the space between two musical notes. There is a stillness inside this train tonight, even though we are moving. Stillness is not the same as silence. Silence is the absence of sound. Stillness is a feeling, a quality. You can feel stillness even when there is noise around you. Like right now, the wheels are loud, but inside everything is still. The next word is passage. P-A-S-S-A-G-E. Passage. Passage has two meanings. The first meaning is a journey, especially by sea or through a tunnel or dark place. The second meaning is a short section of writing or music. Tonight, we are making a passage through the dark, and I am giving you small passages of language. Passage, a word that moves. The last word for now is unwind. U-N-W-I-N-D. Unwind. To unwind means to relax, to let go of the tension in your body and your mind. After a long day, you unwind. You put down the heavy things. You breathe. You let the train carry you for a while. Unwind. Yes, just like that. Outside, the rain has stopped. The clouds are beginning to part, and I can see stars. Not many, just a few scattered across the dark sky like small forgotten things, but they are there. I press my forehead against the cold glass to see them better. The stars do not move, but the train does, and so it feels like the stars are sliding past me, like I am the one who is still, and the whole sky is moving. Perspective. P-E-R-S-P-E-C-T-I-V-E. Perspective. Perspective means the way you see things, your point of view. From inside this train, the stars seem to move, but they are not moving. I am. It is all a matter of perspective. In English, you can say, it depends on your perspective. This means different people can look at the same thing and see it differently, and both of them can be right. Both of them can be telling the truth, because truth looks different from different windows. I want to talk to you now, not about words, just about you, the person listening to this. You chose to listen tonight. That was not a small choice. Maybe you are tired. Maybe the day was long. Maybe English feels hard sometimes, like a door that is always slightly closed. But here you are, on this train, moving forward, and that is all learning really is, choosing to move forward, even slowly, even quietly, even at midnight on a dark train with your eyes half closed. Every time you listen, something stays, a sound, a word, a rhythm. You do not always know it is happening, but it is. The language is settling into you, like snow, very quietly while you sleep. So do not worry about understanding everything. Do not worry about being perfect. Just be here, on this train, moving through the night, listening. Arrival. A-R-R-I-V-A-L. Arrival. Arrival is the moment of reaching a place, the end of the journey, but also the beginning of something new. Every arrival is also a beginning. You can say, "Our arrival was delayed," or "I felt nervous before my arrival," or simply, "I am looking forward to the arrival." Arrival, the beautiful end. One more word before we reach the station. The word is lull, L-U-L-L, lull. A lull is a quiet period, a pause in something, a moment when everything slows down, becomes softer, before continuing again. There is often a lull at 2 or 3 in the morning. The world gets quieter, even the wind slows down. We are in that lull right now. You can also use lull as a verb. To lull someone means to make them feel calm and sleepy. The train is lulling me to sleep right now. The rhythm, the warmth, the darkness outside, everything is working together to lull me into rest. The sky outside is beginning to change. I do not know when it happened exactly, but the black has become dark blue, and the dark blue is becoming something softer. Not quite gray, not quite blue. The color that the sky is just before it remembers the sun exists. Dawn, D-A-W-N, dawn. Dawn is the time of day when light first appears in the sky, before sunrise, before the world wakes up fully. Dawn is the whisper before the day speaks, and we have traveled all night to meet it. The old man is awake now. He stretches slowly, carefully. He looks out the window, and I see something happen on his face. Something quiet, something private. Maybe he recognizes this landscape. Maybe this is home. The child at the back is awake too now. She sits up and looks around, a little confused at first, the way children look when they wake in a moving place. But then she sees the window, and her eyes go wide. The hills, the pale sky, the early light, all new to her, all wonderful. Before this journey ends, I want to give you 4 small phrases. Things you can say, things you can carry with you. The first phrase, "I'm just passing through." This means you are traveling through a place, not staying. But it can also mean something deeper, that a difficult moment will not last, that you are just passing through it. I'm just passing through. A phrase for travelers and for hard days. The second phrase, "It's been a long night." Simple and honest. You can say this after a difficult time, or a beautiful one, or both. It's been a long night, and somehow we made it to morning. The third phrase, "The view from here is different." This is about perspective, about how where you stand changes what you see. After learning something new, you can say this. After going somewhere new, after changing. The view from here is different, and different is not always bad. And the last phrase, "I made it." 2 small words, but full of everything. Relief, surprise, pride, gratitude. When the train pulls into the final station, you can say it. When you finish a hard day, you can say it. When you understand a sentence you never thought you would understand, you can say it quietly to yourself. I made it. Because you did. The train is slowing now, really slowing. The station lights are coming into view, bright and warm and real. We are almost there. The old man is already standing. He has his small bag in his hand. He is looking out the window with bright eyes. Someone is waiting for him on the platform, I think. Someone he is very glad to see. The child is pressing her face to the glass. Her breath makes small circles of fog. She draws something in the fog with her finger. A star, I think. Then it fades, and she draws it again. The train enters the station. The platform slides into view. People waiting, signs and lights. The familiar noise of a city morning. The wheels slow, 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 and stop. We are here. We made it. Thank you for riding with me tonight, for staying awake through the dark hours, for listening through the rhythm and the rain and the quiet. You sat with the language tonight, and the language sat with you. The words you heard are somewhere inside you now. Journey, rhythm, distant, stillness, passage, unwind, perspective, arrival, lull, dawn. Keep them. They belong to you now. Step out into the morning. The air will be cool, the light will be new, and everything will look just a little bit different than it did before, because you traveled through the night to get here, and that changes something, always. Until next time, safe travels, and keep listening. The journey continues.